Pumps was founded in 1965. We are a family-owned and operated company, and we're also an employee-owned company. The LSS and the LSV stand out in many ways. They're assembled in our factory in Bergen, New York. The majority of our components come from the United States, so that allows us to meet the Buy American Act and allows us to be able to be on government-funded jobs. Lastly, the quality of our materials and customer service. You add all that together, and that allows us to make a great large horsepower pump. Previously, we only went up to 2 horsepower. Now with these larger horsepower pumps, we're able to achieve a lot more GPM and higher heads when you need to remove large amounts of wastewater. These pumps could be applied to large commercial buildings, multi-story garages, airports. They could be applied to lift stations where a gravity or pressure sewer system ends. It goes into a pit, and then these pumps could go into that pit and move that wastewater to a sewer treatment plant further down the line. The Vortex impeller is recessed and it sits up a little bit higher in the volute. It allows for slightly larger solids to pass through, whereas the 2-vane sits a little bit more in the volute, and that is going to be moving more GPM and able to reach higher heads. Liberty's top priority is providing excellent customer service. When you call Liberty, you'll never get an automated message. You'll always get a live person to answer your questions. I don't want to give too much away, but we have some pretty exciting new products coming out in 2025.